focus now to a stock, to one of the mid-cap stocks that we've been tracking. Vakrangi Software is the company on our radar, and Dinesh Nandwana, the CMD of the company, joins us. Mr. Nandwana, if you can take us through your order book. You all are into e-governance, you said, in a big way. What is your order book, and therefore what kind of reasonable revenue levels can you forecast for FY11?
As far as FY11 is concerned, we are having more than 600 crores of rupees order book position, mainly from the e-governance space. Current year we are targeting 400 crore of revenue in FY10.
Okay. Yeah. What about your project in Navi Mumbai? You are looking at a global client servicing center there. Is that a different line of business altogether? Are you already in that space? When does that come up, and what will it mean in terms of revenues?
No, basically we are having three business verticals. That is document management solution and print management solution, and total solution, that is system integrator. We are focusing mainly on the e-governance space, where Government of India has identified 27 research board programs and seven core and infrastructure projects under the e-governance plan. So we are targeting on that projects only. Yeah.
Right. Dinesh, good afternoon. How many people work at your company?
Good afternoon. Yeah.
How many people work at your company,
as
sir?
a global, as a global, we are having more than 5,000 persons in our company.
Now, so something is confusing me here, because your staff cost is 1 crore for an entire quarter. I mean, is it somewhere else? Why is just 1 crore for 5,000 people?
Presently, this is in the we have 2,200 persons are working in the Philippines. So balance sheet of the Philippines, that is 100% subsidy, not yet consolidated. That will be consolidated in March year end. And another, as far as this main company's staff cost is included. Man of the cost has been included in the direct costs.
Okay, fair enough. Now I want to ask you another. I have September numbers, so I'm sorry I couldn't speak about December, but I'm looking at your income from sales. 91 crores, which was September in 2008, 91 crores in September of 2009. But your cost of sales and services goes to 77 crores from 40 crores. Could you just walk us through what happened? I mean, because the sales number is exactly the same.
You know, we are working in the three verticals, DMS, that is document management verticals, especially in the second quarter. Main revenue was from the system integration, where profit margin is very low. But as far as DMS, document management and print management solutions are concerned, we are having sufficient margin. But in this quarter, mainly revenue was from the system integration part, where we supply and install the hardware component, where profit margin is very low.
Okay. Just one last question. You didn't tell me what you're doing at Navi Mumbai.
No, we are not doing anything in Navi Mumbai. We are focusing mainly in the e-governance projects. We are not doing anything in Navi Mumbai. Yeah.
All right. Thank you very much, Nandwana, for joining us. We have to take a